Hi po sa inyong lahat at welcome to my channel, Mark My Son Channel. Ako nga po pala si Teacher Mark at sa hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin, isa po akong public school teacher sa probinsya sa Bohol. Isa pong malaking karangalan sa akin na aking may bahagi sa inyo ang aking kaunting nalalaman sa mathematics. Disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako magaling sa math, pero baka ang aking kaunting nalalaman ay makatulong po sa inyo. Kaya sana patuloy niyo pong panoorin at suportahan ang aking mga video. So, huwag na nating patagalin pa. Let's get started. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat at muli ay welcome po sa ating pag-aaral ngayon. Ang atin pong pag-aaralan ngayon ay ang exponent. So bago po natin aalamin kung ano itong exponent, atin munang aalamin ang mga terminologies na ginagamit sa topic na ito. Number one term is yung tinatawag na exponent. Pangalawa, exponential expression. Pangatlo, exponential notation. At pang-apat, expanded notation. Kung ano man ang mga terminologies na ito, ay atin po itong malalaman sa pamamagitan ng halimbawa. At yun po ay ating aalamin mamaya. So as of now, atin munang aalamin kung ano itong exponent. So what is exponent? So ito, exponent tells how many times the base is to be multiplied or is used as a factor. So ganun po ang exponent. Example po, 2 with the power of 4. The example 2 with the power of 4 is an example of exponential expression. So 2 with the power of 4 is an example of exponential expression. So yun po ang tinatawag na exponential expression. Yung mga expression na may exponent, yun po ang tinatawag na exponential expression. So the expression 2 with the power of 4 is called exponential notation. Ang expression na 2 power of 4 ay yun ang tinatawag na exponential notation, which means the number 2 is called base and the number 4 is called exponent. The exponential notation 2 with the power of 4, ang 2 po dyan, yun po yung tinatawag na base. At saka yung 4 dyan, yun po yung tinatawag na exponent. The expanded notation of the expression 2 with the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that is the meaning of exponent. Exponent tells how many times the base is to be multiplied. Since the base in our example is 2, so we'll multiply the 2 4 times. Bakit 4 times? Kasi po ang power or ang exponent natin ay 4. So that is why we multiplied the base which is 2 4 times. So, ganun po. Ngayon, magbibigay po tayo ng mga halimbawa. So, ito pong example natin. Meron po tayo exponential notation. Ito po, 4 power of 6, 9 power of 3, and negative 6 power of 5. So, ito po ang ating mga halimbawa. Sa halimbawa, 4 power of 6, ang 4 po dyan, yun po yung base, at saka yung power 6, yan po yung exponent. And then, ang expanded notation sa expression na 4 power of 6 is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Since the base is 4 and the exponent is 6, we'll multiply the 4 6 times. And then, the value is, we'll multiply 4 times 4, 16, then 16 times 4, 6 times 4, 10 times 4 times 4. The value po is 4,000 96. So, ganun po ang pagkuha ng value. Kung i-multiply po yan lahat, yung 4 times 4 times 4, ang product po niyan ay 4,096. Sa example number 2, 9 power of 3. So, ang 9 dyan, yun yung base. Yung 3, yun din yung exponent. So, the expanded notation, since the base is 9 and the exponent is 3, we will multiply the 9 3 times. Bakit po 3 times? Kasi po yung power niya is 3. So, we have 9 times 9 times 9. Yun po yung tinatawag na expanded notation. Then, the value, if we multiply 9 times 9, then times 9, the product is 729. So, yun po yung value. So, ganun po. Example number 3, negative 6 with the power of 5. So, the base is negative 6 and the exponent is 5. Since the base is negative 6 and the exponent is 5, we'll multiply the negative 6 5 times. So, negative 6 times negative 6 times negative 6 times negative 6 times negative 6. Then the value is 7,776 negative. Kung ito po ay even number, halimbawa po, negative 6, power of 4, yung power niya is 4, the product is positive. Kung ito naman ay odd number, halimbawa nito, power of 5, yung 5 is an odd number, so the result is negative. Tandaan po natin, kung ang base is negative, samantalang yung kanyang exponent is an even number, the result is positive. Halimbawa, 6 power of 2, ang result po niyan is positive. 6 or negative 6 power of 3, ang result po niyan is negative kasi po odd number. So, ganun po kung papaano ang pagkuha ng base, exponent, expanded notation, at value. Sana po ay inyong naintindihan. Next, meron po tayong tinatawag na power of 10. Ganito po. Exponent by the powers of 10. Exponent are also useful when writing powers of 10. Example of power of 10 is 10 power of 0, 10 power of 2, 10 power of 4, and 10 power of 7, and so on. So, yun po ang example ng number in the power of 10. Example in writing powers of 10, in 10 power of 0 equals 1. All number except 0 raised with the power of 0, the result is always 1. So, yun po. Kung ang kanya pong power is 0, kahit anong number pa yon except 0 equals 1. Kung ito man ay 20 power of 0 equals 1. Yung ganyan pong value is 1. 100 power of 0 equals 1. Ang kanya pong value is 1. Kung ang power is 1, example number 2, 10 power of 1 equals 10 times 1 equals 10. Halimbawa po kung ikaw magsulat ng 10 in the power of 10, instead of 10, you use 10 power of 1. Ganun po. Third example, 10 power of 2, that is 10 times 10 equals 100. 10 times 10 equals 100 yan. Instead of writing 100, you have to write 10 power of 2. So that is writing powers of 10. In the fourth example, 10 power of 3, that is 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1,000. Instead of writing 1,000, you have to write 10 power of 3. So, ganun po ang powers of 10. In powers of 10, the exponent signifies the number of 0 next to 1. In 10 power of 1, since the exponent is 1, ibig sabihin, next to 1 is 1, 0. That is why that is 10. And next example, 10 power of 2. Since the power is 2, ibig sabihin, next to 1, mayroong dalawang 0. Kaya yun ay 100. Yung 100, mayroong dalawang 0, kaya 10 power of 2. Yung power niyan, nagpapakita kung ilang mayroong 0 sa number. 10 power of 3, that is 1,000. So, ibig sabihin, mayroong tatlong 0 next to 1. So, that is 1,000. Sa 1,000 po, mayroong tatlong 0. That is why we write 10 power of 3. Example, in 1 million, meron po yung 6 na 0. So, we write 10 power of 6. So, ganun lang po. Kung ilan yung 0, yun po yung kanyang power. We have only to write 10. Then, we'll count the number of 0, then yun po yung kanyang power. So, ganun po yung writing powers of 10. So, sana po ay inyong naintindihan kung paano gawin ang writing powers of 10. So, next, we have to evaluate the power. Example, evaluate the exponential expression. So, example, evaluate its expression if A is equal to 2, then B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 6. Kung mayroon pong equivalent yung ibinigay, yun pong ating is-substitute doon. Example po natin number 1 is B plus A with the power of 2. Number 2, C with the power of 3 minus B with the power of 2. Example number 3, BC minus A with the power of 3. So, we will substitute to evaluate the expression. Number 1, since B is equal to 5, we write 5 instead of B. Then plus is A with the power of 2. Since yung A is equal to 2, so we write plus 2 with the power of 2. Ganyan. Since that is 2 with the power of 2, i-extract natin yan. So, we have to write first the 5, then plus 2 power of 2 means 2 times 2. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. Then, 5 plus 4 equals 9. So, ganyan lang po ang pag-evaluate ng expression kung meron itong mga value na ibinigay. Example number 2, C power of 3 minus B power of 2. Since C is equal to 6, so we will write 6 power of 3. Then, minus 5 power of 2. Kasi po, yung B is 5, then we write 5 power of 2. Then, 6 power of 3 is 216. Kasi po, we'll multiply the 6 3 times. So, 6 times 6 times 6. So, 6 times 6 is 36. Then, times 6 equals 216. Then, minus 5 power of 2. 5 power of 2, meaning we multiply the 5 2 times. Kasi po, yung kanyang exponent is 2. So meaning, we multiply the 5 2 times. So 5 times 5. So magiging 25. So again, yung 6 power of 3 is 216 minus the 5 power of 2 which is 25. Then 216 minus 25 equals 191. So ganun po. Number 3, B, C minus A power of 3. Since yung B is 5, so we'll write 5. Then yung C is 6, we'll write 6. Yung 5, nilagyan natin ng close open parenthesis. Then yung 6, meron ding close open parenthesis. Because if B and C, that is indicates multiplication. So, we'll have to put close open parenthesis. That means 5 times 6. So, yun po. Minus A power of 3. So, maging 2 power of 3. Kasi po, yung A natin is 2. Kaya, magiging 2 power of 3. So, 5 times 6 equals 30. Then minus yung 2 power of 3, meaning we'll multiply the 2 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2, so equals 8. So 30 minus 8 equals 22. So ganun po ang pag-evaluate ng expression. Sana po inyong naintindihan kung paano ang pag-evaluate ng expression. Kung paano pagsulat ng powers of 10, paano ang pagkuha ng base, paano pagkuha ng exponent, yung expanded notation, at value. Sana po ay inyong naintindihan. Sa ngayon, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Sa susunod po natin ay atin pong pag-aaralan ang tungkol sa order of operation. Sa ngayon, kung meron ka pong katanungan sa topic na ito, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment section at tiyak yun ay ating pag-aaralan. If you like this video, sana po i-like nyo ito at pakishare na rin. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, sana po ay mag-subscribe ka na. Huwag nyo rin kalimutan, i-hit ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga susunod na video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig at panonood. God bless po sa inyong lahat.